Hello, today I'm going to be showing you the Nuwa high-powered vacuum cleaner pop table. This is the contents of the box. It comes with an extendable hose, a brush, a few different kinds of nozzles, the charger, and the portable vacuum itself. So the vacuum does have a built-in LED, and it is a single switch of going on and off. The button here is to remove the dustpan and filter. The filter is reusable, it's cleanable. So I'm going to add an attachment and we will test it on my chair that has some cat hair in it. So as you can see, after about a minute of vacuuming, you can see it got a lot of the hair out, it's into the machine, and it's pretty much clear. With a little bit more vacuuming, maybe getting my hands in there a little bit, this will clean it up completely. So again, that was the new high-powered vacuum cleaner that's pop table, and the contents again, the extendable hose, the various nozzles and brush, and the charger cable. So if you're interested in this product, I'll leave a link down below. Please check them out.